är synd över Nick farva ena sjöa och Nick farva hina sjöna och det hänger liksom i scheman.
The overall feel we're going for is we're calling it surreal. There's sort of this line between there's reality, which is really, really normal and people are used to and it's kind of boring, and then there's fake, which people don't respond to. So we're going for this sort of middle ground where it feels strange and different and there's almost like something you've never experienced before. But when you see it, you can still connect to it. I mean, right now it's kind of nice and sunny. It'll probably change by the time we go out. I know it's not going to work out like we're thinking it's going to work out, which is okay.
What do you mean?
It's the Pharaohs. Something always goes wrong.
Oh, yeah.
You roll.
A wounded sorrow, sing a song, waiting for the chosen one. A charming monkey, hold your sweat to
The glamorous life of a fashion photographer. Our high-tech trampoline. We had to import this from Hollywood. Usually they use it for Vogue and things like that. He's actually working for free. We couldn't afford to pay the models after buying the trampoline. Okay, one more time. Just kind of play with your arms, like bring them up, but still keep like your focus straight. Yeah.
You're an angel high above, flying through the desert zone. Leave your love and eastern river behind closed.
One more, but just keep your legs together on the third jump and keep your fingers together. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh.
Now I'm a sinner, I lost my love.
Everything is perfect. But just bring your arms up just a little bit higher. So you're not ascending from the heavens, you're just kind of more floating. Okay. 1, 2, 3, jump. Yeah, let's try it all the way up first.
Jag skulle lägga samma västern till vintern till extra en kvi. Och så kan det elva till ett eka volym av brytning.
Jag ska skjuta för att
Nej.
Okay, and go. A little bit more over. Okay, perfect.
Feels like rolling on the floor. The soldiers stare, prepare for war, and you see it.
Hur är det vi ska ta konsolen utanför?
Jag vet inte själv. Jag har alltid också solen.
Because we have to do this shot with 3 different poses with each of the models before we lose the sun.
And when are we going to lose the sun?
Right now, I think. Okay, move it over a little bit more. And hold on, I gotta get the spacing right again. Okay, yep, that's right.